Oh, they're still warm. Gathering food in the wintertime can be a little challenging. Today I'm gonna go see if I can find some eggs from a northern snow duck along the little creek down there. Let's head down there and see if I can find any. I see one there. There. Let me zoom in. So, let's get down there, check it out. Can't believe she hasn't even flown off yet. You're just gonna sit there, huh? Let me move you out of the way. See if you got any eggs. Oh, easy. Oh, oh, look at that. We've got 3 eggs. Let's see. Oh, they're still warm. Can't believe they just don't melt right down to the ground. So, get these up. So nice. Okay, we'll take these back carefully and cook them up. Let's go. Oh, Mama, she doesn't sound too happy that I took her eggs, but you know, I'm hungry. She can lay more eggs. Let's just hope these don't have any embryos in them, that's for sure, right? No, there's no such thing as a northern snow duck, but they are real duck eggs. And just a comparison real quick, that's a chicken egg right below it. And someone I know raises domestic ducks gave me the eggs, and I thought it'd be fun to bring them home. And I'm gonna fry them up next to a regular chicken egg, and we'll have a look. All right, we got a hot pan. There's our duck egg, and there's our chicken egg. Get our duck egg in there. Ooh, look at the size of that yolk. And here's a chicken egg. Just for comparison. Well, I like my eggs basted, so let's see if we can get this dome on there. Almost. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. What do you think of that? Look at those. Man, that's my new favorite eggs. So, you guys take care. I'll talk to you later. There's really no flavor difference between the two. They're just bigger eggs is all. So, if anybody offers you some duck eggs, take them up on it.